Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in economic sentiment, with a score of plus 0.18 and a momentum of plus 0.50, both of which are notably higher than our historical baseline. This indicates a growing optimism that you can leverage immediately in your applications. When you call our Economy Sentiment API, it returns not just these scores, but also breaks down the sentiment into 13 semantic clusters, giving you granular insights into what's driving this positive shift. Imagine using this data to optimize your trading algorithms or inform your investment strategies in real time. You could identify sectors or stocks poised for growth based on this uptick in sentiment. For more details on how to get started, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.